Hi, and welcome to another episode of 10 Minute Makes. My name is Marcie, and we are going to be packaging all of the items for the Valentine's swap. I have one more thing to wrap. This is the little box that I made. So this is like a self-care love note box. There's little messages on the cards on the inside. This was such a fun process. I'm going to put bubble wrap on some of these items. But this is the box. All you need is to be loved. Happy Valentine's Day. This says love. And then a Scrabble board. And this box is for Erin. And I know she makes like little Scrabble name pieces or gifts or something like that. This is her journal. It's the one with the red. And these are socks. This is her spa day kit. This is the postage by the little stamp. And this is her pocket letter and tassel. These are the pencils, a pen and pencil that she can make and either gift to somebody. And then this is her tumbler and her card. And the tumbler has the sweet treat in it. And this is for Alyssa. I have her items mostly in there. I need to put her pocket letter in. Her channel is Crafting to Cope. This is the pencil and pen set that I made for her. This is her pocket letter and her tassel that I made. Her card. This is for my swap partner. So again, we have the Scrabble, a little hearts, Happy Valentine's Day, and the love. This is the brain dump journal I made, her pocket letter and tassel, her card, some socks, her tumbler with sweet treats, a pen and pencil that she can make for somebody, and then her spa kit. I hope you enjoyed these videos in this series. I'm going to continue on with the 10 Minute Makes. So I'm going to do a tea party in March. I'm co-host. It's a fundraiser for a veterans agency that I'm a part of, and we're going to be making some items for the tables and stuff, so stay tuned for that. I'll probably get started in that in February. Until then, have a magnificent day. Bye.